Or we could talk about Waleska Costello, who was performing illegal BBLs out of her apartment in the Bronx. She had multiple clients that would come to her clinic inside of her apartment, and she would give them silicone injections into their backside, which is wrong for multiple reasons because A, she didn't have a medical license, she wasn't trained to do this procedure in any way, shape, or form, but also the silicone that she was using was imported from another country, and it was for hair and body use only, like external body use, and she was injecting it into the human body. She would often discourage her clients from going to the doctor if they had pain after the injection, and one specific time there was a patient that had fluid and blood leaking out of the injection site, and Waleska told her to put crazy glue over the injection site to keep it shut, which is so unhinged. So unhinged. Waleska was caught and served a year in prison in 2011, but then she got out, kept doing these injections, so again in 2014 she was arrested again, but this just didn't stop her. Finally, as you can imagine, disaster ended up striking in 2017 when 48-year-old Lesbia came in to Waleska's clinic for butt injections. Everything seemed fine at first, but then she ended up randomly passing away from an embolism, which is a blockage in blood vessels, the following year. Well, as you can imagine, it was found out that the embolism was caused by these silicone injections. So Waleska was charged with manslaughter and was given 4 to 8 years, which obviously isn't enough for literally killing a person. What the fuck? I was so upset when I read that. I was like, that can't be right. And I was like researching and I double checked it and I was like, what the fuck? This woman needs to be behind bars forever, for life.